Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I will discuss with you second very important document utilized in the formation of company, that is Articles of Association. Articles of Association is very important document which defines rules and regulations for internal management of affairs of the company, and every company has to prepare their own articles of association. But in case of any of the public company which has not prepared its article of association, that company can use table F of the Company Act. So, just like memorandum of association, it is also very important document of the company. Memorandum of Association defines objectives of the company, and Articles of Association defines rules and regulations for the internal management of the company, as well as it tells how objectives can be achieved. So students, today I will make a difference between Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. So be focused on the board. I am explaining the difference. So yes students, see the first basis of difference, that is objective. Memorandum of Association states the objective for which company is established. Yes, why Memorandum of Association is prepared? It is prepared to state the objective of the company, that for which objective company is established. And Articles of Association, the main objective of Article of Association is to specify the rules and regulations for internal management of the affairs of the company. As well as Articles of Association tells how objectives of a company can be achieved. Then next is position. What is the position of these two documents? Memorandum of Association is the principal or fundamental document of the company, or you can say it is a subordinate to the Company Act. Subordinate means it is the sub-document of the Company Act. Article of Association is a subsidiary document, or you can say it is a subordinate of Memorandum of Association and Company Act. Means Article of Association is the sub-document of Memorandum of Association and Company Act. So the first document is MOA and secondary document is Article of Association. Next is relationship. Memorandum of Association specify the relationship between company and outsiders. So, it tells us what is the relation of company with the outsiders. Articles of Association specify the relationship between company and its members. Next is validity or legal effect. Any activity which is performed beyond Memorandum of Association, that activity is considered as ultra vires. Ultra vires means that activity is beyond the legal powers of the company, and that activity is considered as a void activity, means invalid activity. In short, you can understand that any activity beyond MOA cannot be performed. And in case of Article of Association, if any of the activity which is performed beyond Article of Association, that activity can be ratified by passing a special resolution by its members. It means if company has performed any of the activity which is beyond the Article of Association, for that activity members can justify the activity, why they have performed activity beyond Article of Association. They can justify by passing a special resolution. Next is alteration. Changes in the Memorandum of Association is very lengthy and difficult process. So, doing alteration in MOA is very difficult task, and alterations in Article of Association is very simple and easy. Last basis of difference is necessity. Preparation of Memorandum of Association is mandatory, very essential, and preparation of Article of Association is not mandatory. If any of the public limited company has not prepared Article of Association, that company can use Table F of the Company Act. In the Table F, general rules and regulations to manage the company are written. So such journal rules and regulations can be used by that public limited company. So students, here I have discussed with you differences between Memorandum of Association on the basis of objective, position, relationship, validity, alteration and necessity. I hope student the difference between MOA and AOA is clear to you. Even then, if you have any doubt in any of the point, discuss with me right now. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.